Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti QX60 versus the Ford Explorer. Let's dive into their core performance. The QX60 comes with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 295 horsepower for a smooth, refined ride. The Explorer, however, offers more engine choices, including a powerful 2.3-liter turbocharged option that produces 300 horsepower. Both vehicles comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, making them excellent family choices. Moving inside, the Infiniti QX60 truly shines with its luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials and a large 12.3-inch infotainment display. The Ford Explorer provides a spacious interior, too, with an available 13.2-inch touchscreen for its infotainment system. Both SUVs prioritize safety, incorporating advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to practicality, cargo space is key. The Infiniti QX60 offers a generous maximum of approximately 75 cubic feet of cargo volume, with the rear seats folded down. The Ford Explorer takes it a step further, providing an impressive 87 cubic feet of space. Both vehicles also offer strong towing capabilities, making them versatile for hauling trailers or recreational gear for your adventures. Finally, let's consider value and pricing. The Infiniti QX60 generally starts at a higher price point, reflecting its luxury positioning and premium features. The Ford Explorer, on the other hand, offers a wider array of trim levels, which can provide more budget-friendly options for different buyers. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities and budget. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.